sticky. Things that feel sticky. Hi, I'm Justine. Welcome to my series about things. Today is video number 3. This is the third video. Today's video is about things that are sticky. Things that feel sticky. The first thing that is sticky is tape. Tape is sticky. Tape has one smooth side and one sticky side. The sticky side is used to stick two things together. Number 2. The second thing that is sticky is honey. Honey is sticky. Bees make honey. Honey tastes good. I love honey. Honey tastes good and it is sticky. It feels sticky. I love to eat honey on toast with butter. Do you? The third thing that is sticky is glue. Glue is very sticky. Glue is wet and sticky. When you put glue on something, you put another thing onto it to stick together. When the glue is dry, it is not sticky. It is hard and strong. When glue is wet, it is sticky. Number 4. The fourth thing that is sticky is gum. This is a piece of gum. You put gum in your mouth and chew it. You can chew gum. Gum comes in many flavors. You can have mint gum or cinnamon gum or fruit gum. In Canada, we even have gum that tastes like soap. Soap. It really tastes like soap. It's really gross. I do not like the gum that tastes like soap. Ugh. Gum is sticky. It sticks to things. Gum does not stick to your teeth in your mouth, but gum sticks to other things outside of your mouth. When I was little, I had gum stuck in my hair. I used to have longer hair. And I got gum stuck in my hair. My mom had to cut my hair to get the gum out of my hair because the gum was stuck to my hair. Have you ever had gum stuck in your hair? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching my video on things that are sticky. In my next video, we're going to talk about things that taste spicy. Hot and spicy. See you there. Bye.